Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to change the screen size on OBS recorder. Let's dive right in. First, open your OBS recorder. If you want to resize your preview, hover your mouse between the preview area and the display options below. When you do this, your cursor will change to an up and down arrow. Simply click and drag up or down to adjust the preview size to your liking. Now to adjust the size of the actual recording, start by clicking on your source. You'll notice the preview gets a red outline, confirming the source is selected. Hover your mouse over any of the red points around the preview. Then click and drag to resize. If you make a mistake or want to revert changes, press Ctrl+Z to undo. To crop the recording, hold the Alt key on your keyboard before clicking and dragging the red points. This will crop the edges. If you'd like to skew or stretch the recording, hold the Shift key instead and click and drag. Finally, if you need to adjust the resolution of your recording, go to Settings, then select Video from the left panel. Here you can change your base canvas resolution, which sets the size of your workspace. Below that, you'll find the Output Scaled Resolution option, which allows you to scale the recording up or down. For example, if your monitor has a high resolution, you can scale it down to save storage space or scale it up for higher quality. And that's it. Now you know how to adjust preview size, resize or crop your sources, and change the resolution on OBS. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.